Hey everyone, you've probably heard of N8N, a powerful open source automation tool known for its AI-driven workflows and app integrations. While they offer a paid cloud service, in this video, I'll show you how to self-host it for free on a Raspberry Pi using Docker. By the end, you'll have your own local instance running, no subscription needed, and fully under your control. Some of these commands, especially updates and installs, might take a little while to complete, so I've sped them up in the video to keep things moving. Don't worry though, all commands are listed in the video description, so you can copy and paste them as you go. First, let's log into our Pi using SSH. Let's start by updating your Raspberry Pi. This ensures your system is fully up to date and ready for the setup. Next, we'll install Docker. Just run this curl one-liner. When that's done, add your user to the Docker group so you don't have to use sudo for every Docker command. Now reboot your Pi to apply the changes using sudo reboot. After rebooting, install Docker Compose. Let's create a clean directory to organize everything. Run this in your home folder. Then create an environment file where we'll store login credentials and settings. Paste in the following values, replacing the username, password, and IP address with your own. If you don't know your Pi's local IP address because you usually log in through another hostname, you can find the actual IP by running hostname-i. Copy the first value on the line and replace the value for N8N host in the environment file. Save the file with Ctrl+O and exit with Ctrl+X. Now, create the Docker Compose file to define the service, and paste in the following. Again, save and exit the file. Before starting the container, make sure it has permission to write to the data directory. Create the folder and assign the correct ownership with these commands. Now everything is ready to launch. Start the container in the background. We can then check that it is up and running with Docker PS. You should see it marked as up and port 5678 should be exposed. If you ever need to shut it down, use the same command but replace up with down. Finally, open a browser and go to your Pi address :5678. Once the page loads, log in using the username and password you set in the environment file. After logging in, you'll be asked to complete your account setup by entering a name and email. These details are stored locally and are just used for managing workflows. And that's it. You now have a fully running, self-hosted automation platform on your Raspberry Pi, completely free and fully in your control. If you found this helpful, consider liking or subscribing. And let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more Raspberry Pi automation projects.